In this video, we'll cover the proper steps for tearing the collar away of a 4-in-1 flashing. The IPS 4-in-1 flashing is engineered to fit pipe sizes from 1¼ inches up to 4 inches. You do not need to pull any rings for a 1¼ or 1½ inch pipe size. For a 2-inch pipe, you'll remove the ring that is indicated just above the 2-inch mark. With a pair of pliers, firmly grab the pull pad indicated on the collar. Place your free hand over the collar and hold the flashing in place while you pull the ring away. Make sure to only grab the ring by the 2-inch indicator pad to avoid accidentally pulling the 3-inch ring. Once removed, you will notice the collar now has a clean, tear-free fitting for a 2-inch pipe. Never use anything sharp to cut the ring away. Doing so may cause immediate or unforeseen damage to the flashing, which could likely cause leaks. The only tool you need is a pair of pliers to tightly grip the ring and pull it free. For the 3- and 4-inch pipe sizes, follow these same steps. Following these tips will ensure a professional and clean install of your IPS 4-in-1 flashing. For more info on the 4-in-1 flashing and other IPS roofing solutions, please visit our website at ipsroofing.com.